Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how you can edit Facebook Reels in Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. So simply click on Canva, and as we all know, the ratio size for Reels is 9:16, which is similar to TikTok and Instagram Reels. So what we are going to do is simply search for Reels, and you can just simply click on Instagram Reel because the format is the same. So if you want to use a template, you can use templates. There are hundreds of templates available for free, or you can just create one from scratch by yourself. So we are going to click on create blank. Alright, as you can see, it has given us a 9:16 format. Now what you need to do is click on upload, and you can upload your own video files from here. So I'm just going to select this one, and if it's a white video, what you need to do is simply resize it according to the 9:16 format. So as you can see, it's looking good here. Alright, now you can add some effects from here if you want. You can adjust it, adjust the brightness, or maybe decrease it. You can add some contrast to it. You can do many things from here. What you can do is also click on this add icon here and click on elements and search for elements if you want from here, and you will find an option called text. You can choose any text from here. We are just going to select a text, so click on it and just add here. You can do many things from here if you want. Alright, you can write anything here if you want. I'm just going to type jungle. Alright, now I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make it green, and now what you need to do is simply click on the export button here, click on it, and simply click on download, and you just need to download it. And just wait for some seconds. Now as you can see, our file has been downloaded. Now what we need to do is simply just go on Facebook, and simply just click on home page, click on this add icon here, click on reel. Now as you can see, the video that we have just created is appearing here. You can add some stickers if you want, you can add some effects if you want from here. We are just going to simply leave it as it is. You can edit the clip from here, increase its speed. You can replace, click on done, simply click on next. You can put a description here. Alright, so click on share now. Click on your profile icon and wait until that video appears here. Alright, so that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.